Hello everyone, welcome to the news. Trump's election plan is blocked again by federal judge. On this news, we explain what happened. Why did Trump injure the order? What is the Trump administration saying? What are critics saying? What does the Trump administration argue? Why does this matter to America? The legal political battle and what happened next, and the bottom line. President Donald Trump administration has suffered another major legal setback over its effort to change the way mail-in voting is handled in the United States. A federal judge in Massachusetts has once again blocked key part of Trump's election executive order, ruling that the USA Postal Services cannot take setup to implement the order for this year midterm election, and the timing could hardly be more significant. The rule comes less than a day before Americans are scheduled to vote in the November 3rd, 2026 midterm election that will determine control of Congress. The decision puts another major obstacle in front of the Trump administration as in the fight to reshape federal election political through executive action. What happened? The latest ruling comes from USA District Judge Indira Taiwan in Botswana. At the center of the dispute is any executive order President Donald Trump signed is in March that sought to establish a federal list in eligible voter and give the USA Postal Service more direct role in the election administration. Among other things, the order would have connected the delivery of mail ballot to the federal government voter eligible system. Judge Taiwan has now issued a preliminary injunction preventing the postal services from taking steps to implement the order for the 2026 midterm election. This is another the first time the judge has broken the administration plan. In June, she ruled against the core potential of the executive order after the Democratic State Attorney General challenged it. The latest ruling creates another legal hurdle for the administration where the border fight continues through the federal country. Why did Trump injure the other? The Trump administration say its election protocols are about election security and ensuring that only eligible voter participate. The White House happened pointed to Trump's campaign promise to strategy election should pass legislation addressing the injury, but the legal fight is legal about who has the constitutional authority to establish election rules. Judge Taiwan warned that executive branch does not have authority to regulate election in the way Trump's other attempted. The challenge alleges that election administration is governed by Congress and the states rather than being something the president can temporarily through any executive order. That constitution question is now at the center of the battle. What is the Trump administration saying? The White House pushed back against the ruling. White House spokeswoman Laura Bush said the administration would continue pressing Trump's agenda and described election safety and security as one of the president's campaign commitment. The administration has also alleged in the current that the railway suite should not move forward in the current from other has challenged whether the plaintiffs have the legal standing necessary to bring the case. The Trump administration is splitted, asking the Supreme Court to intervene in the border dispute. So, despite Tuesday ruling, the administration has not abandoned the protocol. What are Citrico saying? Voting rights organizations celebrated the ruling. The League of Women Voters said the decision was a victory for voters and the Constitution argued that neither the president nor the postal services has authority to rewrite election law. The state and organization challenged Trump over argued that allowing the federal government to create a new voter listing and alter how many voters are delivered could interfere with exact state election system. They have also raised concerns about the possibility of eligible voters being affected by errors in new federal system. The central concern from opponents is therefore not simple whether May voting should be allowed. It is whether the president has the legal authority to change the whole government without Congress passing a law. What does the Trump administration argue? The administration has argued that long challenges are premature and that the plaintiffs have not demonstrated the required legal basis for stopping the protocol. Government lawyers have also alleged that the voting list could change before become final. That means, according to the administration position, consists about people being incorrectly excluded could be addressed as the system develops. But Judge Taiwan rejected the administration attempt to keep the protocol moving where the legal question remained unresolved. And she emphasized the timing, with the middle election less than 90 days away, she said there was treaty needed to prevent election rule from being changed closer to election day. Why does this matter to America? This case matters because May voting is used military 6 middle are political quick.